Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a sales funnel with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To create a sales funnel with Salesforce, you first need to log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales tab on the main dashboard. Next, click on Opportunities in the drop-down menu. In the Opportunities section, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on New to create a new opportunity. Fill in the required fields, including the opportunity name and close date. Select the stage that best represents the current status of your opportunity. Make sure to assign the opportunity to the correct account. After entering all the necessary details, click Save to create your opportunity. To visualize your sales funnel, navigate to the Reports tab. In the Reports section, select New Report. Choose the opportunity's report type and click Continue. Once your fields are set, click on Filters to refine the data displayed. Use filters to show only opportunities in specific stages of your sales funnel. Click Run to generate the report. Now, you can create a dashboard to visualize your funnel better. Go to the Dashboards tab and select New Dashboard. Enter a name for your dashboard and choose the correct folder for saving. Click on Create to open the dashboard layout. Now, click on Add Component to include a report visualization. Choose the report you created earlier from the list. Select the format you want to visualize your funnel, like a funnel chart or bar graph. Adjust the component settings as needed and click Add. Review your dashboard layout, making any adjustments to the size and position of the components. Once satisfied, click Save to finalize your dashboard. Your sales funnel is now set up, and you can monitor your opportunities through the dashboard. Remember to regularly update your opportunities as they progress through the sales stages. This will help you maintain an accurate overview of your sales performance. You can also integrate automation tools within Salesforce to streamline your sales funnel process. Explore Salesforce's App Exchange for additional tools that can enhance your funnel management. Regularly analyze your reports to identify bottlenecks and optimize your strategy. By following these steps, you will effectively create and manage a sales funnel using Salesforce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.